Hi and welcome to this Wondershare Filmora 9 tutorial. In this tutorial we are just going to look at how to add images and how to resize them. I'm just going from the same project which you can see that what we have done in the last tutorial, that we have added this titles and also this. So in the same video we'll be learning how to add images also. So you are just going to import media files. So I already have these images. Okay, so I'm going to click at these images and I'm going to open it here. You can see it here, right? So just let's go one by one. Okay, important video, and the story what I'm going to speak about will in turn explain all the facts. Let us see that this example, this video is about fear. So we're going to just select this fear kills dreams. Okay, so I want the video to be added over here. Oh, I'm sorry, it's been adding everything. So I'm just going to press Ctrl Z. Okay, I'm going to just only click this video, click this image. I'm going to add it here. So when I add it here, you can see how this image comes here, right? So you can keep your cursor here, get your mouse, and then also can move this. So we wouldn't want this image to be covering my entire face. So I'm going to just resize it. So I think it's better. Okay, I'm going to keep it here. Okay, so if you want this image to display through the entire section of this video, you're going to just click this and you're going to drag this till this entire video. Now you're going to see what is going to happen. So I'm going to play this. Okay, let me just push it till here. Now once again till this end of this thing. Okay, I'm going to just start this video. You can see what happens. Hi and welcome to my video on 6 doors. So now you can see this image. This is one of the most important video, and the story what I'm going to speak about. You can add any number of images. Okay, let us see. I also want this Buddha to be displayed here. So I'm going to keep the Buddha once again here. I'm going to click it. First, let me just push this timeline here. Okay, you can see this Buddha also here. So even I'm going to resize this also, but I want it over this side. So example, we're going to do the same thing here, just a little bit gap over this side. Okay, now even I'm going to drag this entire image to the full duration. Okay, now let's see what happens. Okay. Hi and welcome to my video on 6 doors. There's goes. I think it is one of the most easiest things to add images to your video. But this is not only images, you can even create your company logo or profile or anything. You can keep it over the video. As you can see in YouTube, they would be displaying their channel's logo in their full videos. This is a step that you can do things like that. Okay, then I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to just double click it here. So it's not just only this one, you can even add motion to this. You can see what is going to happen. You can see, right? Let us just keep this here. I'm going to press OK, and for I'm going to double press OK, and for let us see for okay, now I'm going to just press this one. No, this is very simple. I'm going to do something different, right? Just double click on here. Let's see what is happening. Oh, it's just fading, right? It goes all the way. Move to the top, right? I don't want this. Then I'm gonna just put this some other thing here. I'm gonna give importance to Buddha right here. Okay, I'm gonna press OK now. Now let's see what is going to happen right now. Once again, I'm going to start the video and press it here. Hi and welcome to Look at what is happening right now. 6 doors to life. This is one of the most important video, and the story what I'm going to speak about will will in turn explain all the facets of your life and all the troubles or fantasies which you have been having in your life. I don't want to make it a delay, so let us get into the story. Once there was a prince who wanted to understand the real value or wisdom of a life. So he went and approached a great master of how to have a or how to. You can see this vehicle's dreams is kind of very slow. I'm going to put it in this slow for this one. I'll just I think this is much better, right? Okay, now let's play it here. Hi and welcome to my video on 6 doors to life. This is one of the most important video, and the story what I'm going to speak about will in turn explain. It all depends upon the animation that you set for your each and every images. Okay, then thanks for watching this video. I'm going to meet you in the next video. Bye bye.